I am doing a YouTube video on my new website for sale details online, and it's for small URL advertising. I'm trying to get this done on the first take. I've been doing a lot of programming, so my got some bags under my eyes. But the basic functionality is like 85%, and I can go with a soft launch soon. If this video works out the way I like it, then I'll publish it on YouTube and link it from the website. I'll go ahead and probably do a few drafts here, but this is the main page, and I'm going to purchase an ad and do this really fast, but you can slow it down at any time and see what is going on. So I'll do tiny ad 1, and I'll do, say, 6 months with 20 photos, and you get to watch me enter all this data. Some of these are required, most of these are not. Alright, so this is the register of prefs order page. So once you can search and decide what's available. So I could search for tiny ad here, tiny ad 1, and record is available in database, and so I can definitely order that and register, submit your order. Okay, this is the in-depth page. There's a lot of information. You should print this out, but I'll highlight things. User number's 204. That stays with you permanently. Ad reference, that's for this particular ad. So the time horizon is $60, and then $15 admin fee, $15 delete deposit, which comes out to $90, and got total number of photos is 20, 10 are free, so there's an extra 10 that are charged at the package rate times 0.25, 25% of the package rate. So then you go to PayPal, and you pay this amount to this PayPal account. So once you do that, then I will get an email saying that you're paid, and then you can go to Coppermine and register. Open that in a new link, and this is the most important one, filling out the details. You can do the photos later. It's basically just a username and a password and an email. It's good to put your user ID and a global registration password. So we can get rid of this tab, and then the global registration password is upload details. So I put that in here, copy and paste, and then a user ID is you want to get this number, your customer number, user ID, and put that here, and then you can pick a username and a password. Well, I have to verify that. Username already exists. Okay, well, that'll work. That's part of that 15% that's not working. This is the most important part. Make sure you have your user. All these three fields have to be correct before you could submit the detail correctly. And so I'm just going to enter a record here with information that's already there. Cruising sailboats. The title. Just going to put basics. Description detail here. I'll put additional details here. Currencies, the US dollar, 420,000. I think this yacht is selling for on Yacht World. And so you put your respective album number once you get all your photos here, and you'll have an album in a particular JPEG for the highlight that you pick. Sometimes you have to right click to get the image URL, open image in new tab. And then this photo taken a few months ago by the beach. All right, so general condition, excellent. Address, let's just say Madeira Beach. And then sail time horizon, I'll say slow. These are not required. They're just extras. And so Brian or Miriam, location, contact preferences after 5 p.m. All right, so that is all that's really required to have your ad up and running. Once you get the Coppermine gallery working. So, all right. This is a little bit kludgy. I haven't really refined the Coppermine gallery, but you can click on the album list or click at home, and then click on the picture, and this brings up all your photos. So this is the album link that you need to copy and paste here. And then the photo that you want you can open a new tab, and that's the link that you want. Here. All right, so it's complicated and there's a lot of details, but that's all the upload 10 photos, fill out this first form, well, I'm gonna have to do the video again, but oh. Try that again. All right, well that worked that time. So I just needed to get rid of those quotes. So this stuff, all that's in the database. And so what I'm going to do is go to I'm going to put the index file in that tiny one folder. And so I have to go here. It's more information that you want, but so I create a folder here. Later I'll automate this one, and then I put the index template here. All right. All right, so then it's all set. This is your small URL, and that's all you need to enter, really. Tiny add one. Okay, well, something's wrong there. Oh, we're at, okay, so here I have it temporarily with the wrong add ref number. This is just, I got to change that to automate it. or actually I should probably change it each time. So ad reference is 302. So I changed that on the index page. And there you have it. There's the ad. So I'm not sure what's going on here. I'll have to fix that. Anyway, that's the behind the scenes of how the website works. And there's some private information in there, but just overlook that. And in terms of the database details and whatnot, but yeah, that's how long it takes. And so this recording, I'll figure out how long it takes to fill in the ad. If you want to modify the ad, you can go to this link, and you have to save this link. You can modify it anytime with this verification code. You'll get your own unique verification code, obviously. And so if I want to modify the record, you can see here it says cruising sailboats, and I can edit any of those fields, and it'll show up there. Mid-size cruising sailboats, and submit modifications. You have to have all this stuff right. Okay, successful update. So once you update it in the database, this will change. All these fields will change to whatever suits your preferences. So if I recycle that, it'll say mid-size cruising sailboats. But somehow, I mean, there's some quirks in it right now, but I can work these quirks out really fast. So you can edit any time with this information. So perhaps the JPEG didn't follow. Yeah, let's see. Okay, well this is not returning the information in the database, so I have to fix that. But yeah, once you get this all straight, then it all works. There's a lot of programming behind this, and so you can modify it until you get it all tweaked out to your preferences. And so then that'll, once you click this, it'll go to the album. at for-sale-details.online. So they're cross-linked, but this template can be edited, but it's a little complicated. But so just ask if you want something um, the template edited, and we can do it. But that's the gist of it. And so it's November 21st, Friday, and I'm going to work on this weekend and fix those tweaks. And it should be perfect by midweek next week, but we can make it work very quickly if you sign up. So the soft launch is here, and it is ready to go. I know there's certain demographics that of sellers that can use this site, and I'm hopeful that they can take advantage and it can be mutually beneficial. I hope that gives you more of an idea of how the website works.